solve this fractional equation. Usually, to solve an equation like equation 1, we find a common denominator for each side of the equation. We then have 13 minus 2x times 15 minus 2x plus 17 minus 2x times 11 minus 2x over 11 minus 2x times 15 minus 2x equals 19 minus 2x times 9 minus 2x plus 11 minus 2x times 17 minus 2x over 17 minus 2x times 9 minus 2x. Then we eliminate the fractions by multiplying both sides of the equation by a common denominator. 11 minus 2x times 15 minus 2x times 17 minus 2x times 9 minus 2x. However, this will result in a very complicated equation, so we will not solve this equation this way. Now we solve equation 1 by looking at the patterns and simplifying the equation. Equation 1 can be written as 1 plus 2 over 11 minus 2x plus 1 plus 2 over 15 minus 2x equals 1 plus 2 over 17 minus 2x plus 1 plus 2 over 9 minus 2x. The two ones on the left-hand side of the equation and that on the right-hand side of the equation cancel. So we can now write 2 over 11 minus 2x plus 2 over 15 minus 2x equals 2 over 17 minus 2x plus 2 over 9 minus 2x. We can divide both sides of the equation by 2. So we can now write 1 over 11 minus 2x plus 1 over 15 minus 2x equals 1 over 17 minus 2x plus 1 over 9 minus 2x. By finding a common denominator for each side of the equation, we have 15 minus 2x plus 11 minus 2x over 11 minus 2x times 15 minus 2x equals 9 minus 2x plus 17 minus 2x over 17 minus 2x times 9 minus 2x. By simplifying the equation, we can now write 26 minus 4x for the numerator on the left-hand side of the equation, and we can now write 26 minus 4x for the numerator on the right-hand side of the equation. By rearranging the equation, we can now write 26 minus 4x over 11 minus 2x times 15 minus 2x minus 26 minus 4x over 17 minus 2x times 9 minus 2x equals 0. We can factorize the left-hand side of the equation, so we can now write 26 minus 4x times 1 over 11 minus 2x times 15 minus 2x minus 1 over 17 minus 2x times 9 minus 2x equals 0. By finding a common denominator, we can now write 26 minus 4x times 17 minus 2x times 9 minus 2x minus 11 minus 2x times 15 minus 2x over 11 minus 2x times 15 minus 2x times 17 minus 2x times 9 minus 2x equals 0. By expanding the numerator, we can now write 17 times 9 minus 52x plus 4x squared minus 11 times 15 minus 52x plus 4x squared. By simplifying the numerator, we can now write 17 times 9 minus 11 times 15. Since 17 times 9 minus 11 times 15 doesn't equal 0, so 26 minus 4x equals 0. Thus, x equals 26 over 4, which is 13 over 2. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.